Hello, what's going on everyone? I got something new for you. There is an extension that we can use to basically preview an image if we are still on our development environment. We can basically see such an image instead of trying to maybe save the page first of all and then try to load it in our browser. And this saves a lot of time. I want to demo that for you right now. However, I don't have the extension just yet. Let's install it. And it's called image preview. Let's open this first one right here. And this is the extension. So if we hit on install, it's going to go ahead and then install. Alright, so that is just basically done installing. You can disable that or re-enable that, but we don't need to do anything in that place right now. However, if we want to uninstall it, we can hit on uninstall. But what I want to do is just basically close this out. And on this page, if you take a look here, you see that the preview to this particular image is already showing here. Look at the preview right here. Right? I want to just basically collapse this part and look at the preview right here. Very simple. I do have another image. Let me show you where that image is basically coming from. I do have a folder called a JS blog, and this is the image that just showed up. All right. Hopefully, I don't know whether you're really seeing the image, but let me just try to track that. Just within this web page. Hopefully you are basically seeing that right now. That's the image, all right? And then there is another one, and the second one right here is that one called a drag, and hopefully you're also seeing this. You see the way that it's just basically working. So those are the images that we're having here. And let's say this works in the HTML part right here, and then it also works in our CSS. So I want to open up my CSS right here, and then we have a background color right here, but I want to use an image. And to do that, if you do URL like this, and we can go ahead and then input the second image. The second image is just basically called a drag. So if I do drag right here, .png, when you take a look at that, you see that that shows up right here. Look at the preview. So with this, you don't have to always manually open up your web page to see whether the image you selected is the right one or not. All right. So with this extension, you can always know which image you have selected in your coding environment. All right. So I hope you like that. I'll be giving you more tips around programming. So if you're not following, feel free to follow. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe. And if you like what I've just done in this video, just go to the comment section below and just say thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.